The light in the dark market. In a big city, there was a market full of noise and people. The market was busy, but it was also dark and sad. Many people there had little money and no hope. In the middle of the market, a woman named Clara had a small stall. She sold candles. Her candles were special because they gave light to people's homes, but also to their hearts. One cold evening, a little girl came to Clara's stall. Her clothes were old and her hands were shaking. "Miss Clara, my house is dark. Can I buy a candle?" the girl asked. Clara looked at the girl and smiled. "Do you have money?" she asked softly. The girl shook her head. "No, but I will bring you money soon," she said. Clara picked up a candle. "Here, take this one. It is a gift," she said. The girl's eyes sparkled. "Thank you. I will never forget this," she said and ran home. The next morning, a man came to the stall. He was a shopkeeper. "Clara, why do you give candles for free?" "You will not make money," he said. Clara smiled. "The market is dark, but we can make it brighter with small lights," she said. The man thought about her words and bought 3 candles. That night, Clara looked around the market. Many homes had her candles burning inside. The warm lights made the dark streets look beautiful. Clara felt happy. Her candles did not just light houses, they gave people hope. In the dark market, Clara's small stall became a place of kindness and light. And slowly, the market was not so dark anymore.